Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to create this background, which is creative and useful for a lot of projects. You can change the color of this for whatever you want and add titles and whatever for it. Even you can make it start, of course, with one color and end with the other, like this one, for example. You can do whatever you want. So stick around and be careful for the following procedures. It's so easy and you can use it whenever you want and for whatever you want. So stick around and follow these steps. So let's go.